Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning, or just coming up to, slightly drizzling, yeah, thought I'd get up and do another video for you. Can do one on showing you how to easily do propagation of Hydrangea Macrophylla types today. So let me spin the camera around and show you. So this is the variety we're going to be doing, which is my Hydrangea Kanmara Rose. As you can see, it has massive flowers. You know, look at the size of them. Yeah, and that's not even a large one. You know, something like that there absolutely dwarfs my hand. But as you can see, the weight of the flowers combined with the rain and the wind from the other week has somewhat decimated the plant. But yeah, it's an ideal opportunity to start thinking about propagating, and so yeah, really easy to do. So the thing to bear in mind is that these stems here that haven't got flowers on now, they will be the flowering stems for next year, so you don't want to use those as your propagation material. Instead, whilst you're cutting back your stems, exhibit A, cut it to where you want it to be, or where you're going to need it to be, and then you might as well use this as your propagation material. So really simple. Start, snip off flower, not interested in that. You got your old woody section there, we don't want that, so we make the incision just below the leaf joints. Leaves us with that stem. Now strip leaves. It's a little bit more tricky trying to do it one-handed. That's our stem. Rooting compound. Nice little dollop of that. Compost, already moistened, slightly damped down. Insert, so it's up to the next leaf joint there, and then firm around, and we'll repeat that the 3 times. There we are, that's finished. Really easy production, 3 hydrangeas, cuttings taken. Success rate should be pretty high on that, probably 100%, or certainly 66%, but job done. So thanks for watching this early in the morning. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, send me any messages you want, give it a go and keep enjoying your garden, and hopefully next time I'll be doing it at a more sensible hour. See you soon, bye.